Good morning, guys. So, progress has been made. Well, it's practically finished now on the Hydrovane. I've got the main sheets up now, and actually I can't have it on this cleat here, so it's cleated on this here. And yeah, there's just a tiny breeze right now, and it's already reacting. This can be moved up and down an inch, maybe a little bit more even, because the pipe clamp's there. But that's pretty well balanced about there. But it's nice that I have options if I need to in an emergency, cut something out of the headliner and make a temporary one. Although I have a plan for the temporary one, and that's going to be some PVC pipe made into the shape, attached into a block with holes bored into it from the top and the bottom, so then the PVC pipe goes like that. And then yeah, you can wrap it in cling film in an emergency, or I can make it so the sail fits that quite easily. So yeah, I'm going to take this down now, but his name is Si'hai Longwang, which is Dragon King of the Four Seas of Chinese mythology. Yeah, I decided it's a he and the boat's a she, but that's kind of fitting, I think. And the swim ladder's in. I just made little wooden spaces for it because it didn't have a flat edge on that stainless, and besides I should protect the paint. And yeah, I need the swim ladder for cleaning the hull, and if I need to do something to the Hydrovane down there at sea, then it'd be much nicer to be clipped on and have that to stand on rather than hanging off the edge. So yeah, as you see, this is lashed through these holes here. That's why I put them there in the first place. I think I'm going to get some aluminium or PVC to cover here, because that's a bit of a stress point right there. Even though that's like a good 20 millimeters wide. Yeah, I think that this is heavier still. It's obviously, because I've got twice the counterweight on it, it's obviously twice as heavy as the actual proper Hydrovane one. And you see there, it's almost like I made the flagpole that height, which I didn't. Although I don't think I can have the flag up at sea. I'll have some streamers coming off here for extra telling of wind direction. But they won't interfere with the Hydrovane, just having a couple there, but the flag might, because the proper size for a flag, by the way, is 1 inch per foot, okay, which means I need a 36-inch flag, which I have the things to make. I might make one, but I won't have it up at sea. So yeah, I just did the name on one side, because when the sun's shining on it, it will shine through, and you can see it on the other side, and it will look a mess if I have it on both. And that's just on with permanent marker. I did a test the day before I made it, so 2 days ago, and that permanent marker doesn't smudge. It will certainly fade in the sun, but so will this fabric, which is actually just satin clothing liner, like €5 a meter here. It was quite expensive, but yeah, so it's probably got about 3 months in it, I reckon, but yeah, I don't want to leave it out in the sun when I don't need it. I wanted to leave it up overnight, because I'd rather, if it's going to break, that it breaks now rather than the first day at sea. So, but everything's fine. Probably, if anything, I made it too tight. I don't know. No, I just need bigger fabric, thicker fabric to make a proper one. It'd be nice to use some umbrella or something that I can leave up there, but that's going to be extra weight. But I mean, I doubled the weight already with the wood, so I think as a percentage it might not be that much. But yeah, everything's good. Obviously, I'm leave the rudder till the last minute, and yeah, the sail and everything and the writing was like 3.5 hours. So yeah, it was worth it. Okay, bye bye guys.